What me last it now?
The paintbrush, you put it in the fridge. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
M1. Love spotlight, too much we not trust them. Any boy love chat, we not trust them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another project for you, another DIY, not really DIY, painting, creating a video for you with my dad, so Daddy and Me project. I've got my hat, but yeah. So I got my tam. Maybe me fit put this up. I have my shoes, my steel mouth shoes, I don't know why. I never wear this. I'm gonna lift up nothing heavy. A paintbrush mega lift up. But I wanna be in the full gear, you know? When you're in the full gear, it motivates you to get the job done. My dad gave me this. So he's wearing one as well. So I'm gonna twin out. So yeah.
What are those?
Yeah, so I'm going downstairs now to see what he's doing. I think he's making preparations, like putting on the tape. So let's go.
Now when you clean and look like somebody beat me. And my life, love me, let me risk it. Now when you clean and look like somebody beat me.
Wow, popcorn. So this is what we're going to do. See, it looks so.
If we only just get this area sorted out, you get what I'm saying?
Okay, contractor. Alright, contractor. Alright. Now do you tell them what we are going to do today?
Yeah, we're gonna do some painting. You see.
What are you doing now? Where are you now?
Just preparing the surface, you get me? Yeah, just preparing the surface, you know? Kind of roughing off the rough this off of it. You get me?
We're gonna paint.
We go painty. You look rough in a picture, it's a man.
You couldn't look like me. Look how me look well put together. Look there. The fire.
You look rough.
I want to see how in there look. You know, look elite, you know? White brings off very sophisticated look, and that's what we are going for. So this is the refrigerator room.
I'm scruffy, man.
Yeah,
Put me a paint.
look
I'm working on them from last time. I one of them things.
Alright, remember to like, share and subscribe. And let's get into it.
500 likes on this. Patrice the apprentice.
Apprentice.
Well, now that she's gonna pull the paint, yeah. Wow, that's not nice.
You me need gloves, Daddy?
Yeah, I need gloves.
And so easy cheesy lemon squeezy.
Let's put on that on top of that.
So we couldn't find any like old cloth or something to put on the floor, so my dad is using these thingamajigs. He's not prepared for action, you know, always be prepared for action. Disorganizing, Daddy.
For real. Now the one side first and then the full back side.
Okay, so we're doing this side first because we have a limited amount of this thing to prevent the floor from messing up. So when we're finished with this side, we'll move on to the other side. Yeah.
I'm gonna dry it back now.
No, that means that's good.
No, you don't. You're wrong.
So one of these already?
No, me have more. I'm trying this wrong for me. This way.
Wait.
What that? Amber?
Yeah, come. Yeah, like that. Turn it on.
Shoot down.
Yeah, you can fit through it.
That's it, don't it?
We've started this side already. And then we'll have to do this side. How many did I do?
Good man. I'm gonna just start as apprentice. Really good. Painter Lee at it again. We'll deal with the task first, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Start out.
Okay. That paintbrush you're going to use for the huh?
Yeah.
Make your Fanta for yourself.
But take on you already.
Fanta?
Yeah. Take. You see the tape?
This
As a painter, techniques come within painting. I mean, painting, man. Techniques. See that? Always have a small brush. Too long with these.
Right, let's know where you put it. Miss that spot.
Here.
Right, this one. You miss that spot, bad charge. Come on, you look so fresh.
Good food, man. No outside eating.
No McDonald's?
No McDonald's.
KFC or KFC.
No KFC.
Everything homemade.
Everything home. Run the thing 2 times, Patrice. It one more paint, so just run the thing again. And make sure you take out the
You know, if you dry a bit, remember say wet, you know.
Okay.
So when you go over, you know, it take
just,
off.
Yeah.
See? So me have to teach you these things, people.
So we don't want you waste no time. Time is money, you know. I want you waste no time for the job. Keep you busy.
So how much may I get for this? I want to feel so hungry.
Now lunchtime yesterday, I come to work late. Oh. Hungry.
Yeah. Good work. Keep up good work. You have to motivate them.
What is that? Last step the thing, man.
What me last step now?
The paintbrush, you put it in the brush, supposed to run side up like the one.
And that this one?
Yeah. Maybe this thing like a prop. Look like they're blocking the boat too, you know.
Of course.
Just pull it off and just get a one coat.
Yeah, man.
You get me?
Alright, belly full. Ready again. Up, down.
You're doing it too fast, man.
It's bad, what?
Yeah. Not bad like my own though. But you always just stop halfway. Why? Why you stopping halfway? Go right down on the street.
You know, I'm pressed too hard for it. So true that is.
Yeah. You get that right. You don't want to leave marks in the wall, you get me?
Sir. It's on that.
You're doing a proper job there now.
Thank
You're
you.
learning quick, you know.
Yeah, man.
Can't leave leave you with my job them now. To take over.
I'm a good teacher, you know?
I mean name that.
So,
Spread the towel. Looking at the kitchen then I come out here. This is something there. Newspaper.
running on me.
You know.
That's why the money comes constantly. But the people depend from me.
What are you today? You want to paint it today?
You just paint over everything. You know, if you're not paint today, you know it. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah, share this video with your friends, your family, everyone. Yeah, so we're gonna just finish up now. Outro. So we're just gonna finish up now. We're gonna finish in touches and all that jazz. So yeah. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye. You're not gonna going by then.
Bye.
Now when you clean and look like star. No, them rather pop you down, no want to see you far. Me no listen when the hypocrite talk. No, if I feed them alone, no wouldn't find me back. Them want everything and them no give away